Let's have a look at how you can create the Lesa Hall look for your next portrait. We have this photo here and we want to turn it into that special cartoon effect that we've seen around. Let's zoom in so we can see more of the details that we want to work with. The first step will be to activate your pen tool, set to freehand, and uncheck all the settings here. And I'm going to be using a width of 2, but of course the size will depend on the size of your project. And I will be using a black color. Let's add a new raster layer with the default settings, and we start tracing the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. So by zooming in, it's going to be easier to be precise. And now we trace the eyes. And the second one. Now let's trace the outline of the nose. And the mouth. Now we can add some colors, like for the eyes. And I'm going to add a new raster layer under the one I already used. And I'll use the paintbrush tool. The size again will depend on the size of your picture. And I'm going to just use the 3 pixel size to draw the eyes. And some shadows on the nose. Let's highlight the nostrils. And for the mouth, we don't want it black, so I'll just pick a different color. And fill in those lips. By coloring on a separate layer, you won't affect the lines that you drew for the contour. Now if we want to add some white and you don't want to affect the lines, you can create another layer. Change the color to white, move that layer below. And now you can paint underneath. And maybe if you want a little spark on the eyes, you can go on the top layer and add a little tiny dot in the center of the eyes. So now you have the eyes, the nose, and the mouth that are ready. Now it is time to remove all the unwanted details of the face. Activate your base layer. Select your lasso tool set to freehand. And you select all around the face. And in your layer palette, right-click, promote this selection to a layer. So you'll have the face on a separate layer. And it's going to be underneath all the tracing that you did. In order to remove those elements, let's add a blur. So adjust blur, Gaussian blur, set to about 25, and you can see that all those details are gone. Since the edges sometimes can fade, let's duplicate. So right click and duplicate this layer, which you can now right click, merge and merge down. If you want to add more facial features, you can still do so by activating your top layer and, for example, using the brush tool set to 10 pixels, you can choose a dark brown or brown color to add the eyebrows. And you can deselect with Ctrl D, and now you have that new cartoon face on your photo. Now it's your turn to change your portrait photo with the Lesa Hall look.